Welcome, my name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video another resource that I found on IRS.gov website that I use to help me to better learn and understand what I'm doing inside my own business, so I can also help the people that I work with have a better understanding as well. So this is the Practice Lab. This is associated with Tax Lab Pro software. So if you are using Tax Lab Pro software, this might be something you might be interested in, especially if you're doing what I'm doing. I do teaching, coaching, mentorship, leadership, guidance. I got people that's looking to start their own tax preparation business, get started. I specialize in work with a new person, and so I'm always finding different resources on IRS.gov website that I can use and leverage to help me to be a better entrepreneur, a better business owner, a better leader, a better person all around that's going to be able to help my ideal clients get the results they say they want to have inside their business. And so if you want to take advantage of my 30-day free coaching challenge, which starts September the 4th, enrollment ends August 31st, take advantage of that. I'm going to leave a link inside this particular video that's going to take you straight to the enrollment form where you can sign up and be ready for the upcoming coaching challenge that's for 30 days in September. And I'm going to treat you like a paid client, meaning for 30 days, anything you might have already set inside your business that we can do in a 30-day time frame, I'm going to help you make it happen for no charge. And that's because I'm treating you like a paid client. Paid clients get these things done already as part of the package. And so if you don't have your EFIN application done, I'm going to help you fill it out. If you don't have your PTIN application done, I'm going to help you fill it out. If you don't have your EIN information, business entity information set up, I'm going to help you fill it out. If you don't have your online account set up, I'm going to help you put that together. So whatever you don't have inside your business already together, this 30-day free coaching challenge is going to help you get it done for free. Because like I said, you're going to be treated like a paid client for 30 days starting September the 4th. Enrollment ends August 31st. So the link is going to be inside of this video and many others that's going to take you straight to the registration page where you can register as a student inside the coaching platform that I'm leveraging, which is System.io, which is my all-in-one marketing system that I'm using going forward to build out my business online in every area that I might be doing business in. And because I'm a service-based business provider where I make money in more than just one area, this all-in-one platform, System.io, is going to be a game changer for me, where I only have to be in one place to build out my automation and my systems and my list and my funnels all in one place. They have a free version you get started with. Take advantage of that. I have a link in the video for that, so you can sign up for the free version of the System.io all-in-one marketing system. Get to learn that, get to know it, get to utilize it, see if there's a good fit for you, because they have a lot of different platforms out here. A lot of them expensive, a lot of them hard to use. And so you have to decide for you which one is user-friendly for you, which one makes sense for you. If you plan on having an online business and you're doing more than just one thing. So I do multiple things. You know what I'm saying? I do bookkeeping services. I do payroll services. I have a coaching program to help the new tax professional get started from A to Z. You know what I'm saying? So I do multiple things in the service-based business realm where the all-in-one system is ideal for me. And so the free version won't help me because I'm already established with what I'm doing. So I had to upgrade to at least the $27 plan that gives me more features and functions to what I needed for what I do. But for you just getting started, if you only got one product or service you want to promote, it'll give you just what you need for that. Anything outside of that one, you have to upgrade to the next paid plan, which is $27, or do the annual. Choice is yours. And so if you want leadership, guidance, accountability, clarity, and the right information, in my opinion, on what I would do being new if I was you, join this 30-day free coaching challenge. Take advantage of this opportunity to get certain things done inside your business that you might not have done already, that you probably was looking to pay somebody to do, that now you can leverage this free 30-day coaching opportunity, which starts September the 4th, to make it happen for yourself. Like I said, this here is a site I found on IRS.gov. It's linked under the Link and Learn system. And so if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to leave a link for this as well inside the video that you can click on it. It's going to take you to it. I created an account so I can have access to this particular training module here, which is connected to TaxLab Pro online. And since I'm a reseller of TaxLab Pro online software anyway, this is just right for me. And so since we're about to start training September 4th anyway, across the nation in general, which is I consider general training season for everybody who's having their people get ready for the upcoming tax season. They either coming in-house or they doing online or they probably doing a combination of both based on where you live at, based on your demographics, it's going to vary. And so when it comes to doing what I do, I help entrepreneurs make money by starting an online business who don't have a clue on what that looks like, what that's going to take, and what they need to have in place. So if that's you, you need to reach out to me at 773-782-1320. I like to talk and chat with my potential ideal target market so we can get a better understanding of each other. I can get a better understanding of what you need and what you're looking for, because a lot of times the translations and texts and emails get lost. And so when I read something, I got to interpret what I think you mean, which you might not really be meaning that. So that's why it's clear communication to be on the phone with someone. And that's why I leave my contact information inside all my videos. Anything that I'm promoting is always going to have my contact information associated with it. So you can reach out to me so you get to know I'm a real person that's genuine and sincere and passionate about what I do as a service-based business entrepreneur who's here to have your best interests at heart. The problem we face right now is the new person is under siege. They're being attacked from the left, the right, all over when it comes to people out here online who's promoting their business opportunities when it comes to making money, and they don't care really how they do it. It's all about getting their money out of your pocket. And so my opinion is it's not what you do in life, it's how you do what you do in life. It's the crucial aspect of what we do when it comes to personal as well as business. And so if I conduct myself in a certain way, that's all about benefiting you, because I need you to win so I can win. And then that's my motivation for doing what I do, because I don't want to start a business where I'm not here to help no one win and succeed and prosper, because if that's my agenda, then I won't succeed and I won't prosper, because I need success to follow me through the people that I work with. And so I'm a reflection of how well I can teach and show and guide the end user when it comes to what I do in the marketplace as it relates to mentorship and coaching that I have for my program. And so if you want to connect with me, you want to learn more about what I really help people do who want to start an online business, get started. And the best way to do is talk about it. You know what I'm saying? That way you're not confused about what I do and what I offer and what's in it for you. Because, see, the biggest problem with people who want to come online to make money and start a business is that majority of them don't know really what to do, what they need to have in place, what that really looks like, what success really is going to manifest itself to be, because they haven't taken the time to do their due diligence or their research, or if they did their due diligence and research, they still stuck, because now they just got information that they don't know how to implement and take it in their hands and move forward with. And so you're still left no better off than you was when you got started, because the research phase is the simplest phase you can do. As long as you got a phone with the internet connection to it, you can pick your phone up, go to Google, and type in whatever phrase or slogan you need to type in that's going to give you some information on another page where you're going to check out those search results, which is going to basically be different websites that you're going to go to that's going to give you information based on what you're looking for. And you're going to have to decide for yourself if this information valid, if it's legit, if it's real, is this site here credible, is this information on this site something I want to be able to take, implement, and get started with? Or do I want to connect with a real person who I can get on the phone and talk to, and then jump on the Zoom call and further enhance that interaction? You know what I'm saying? Because people do business with people, not websites, not chatbots, but real people. I'm a real person with real feelings, real dreams, real goals, real ambitions. And I'm serious and passionate about what I do when it comes to being a service-based business entrepreneur, because we solve problems. We help people get results. We help people make money online. That's what I do in a nutshell. I have your best interest at heart, because, like I said, if I can't help you succeed, I can't succeed. Just, you got to understand where we at. Online is big and noisy and all of that. But if I can't help you get results, that spreads really quickly. And then now I have a reputation that's not going to help me build an online business. And that's not what I'm in here for. My reputation is my money. My reputation is what stands out from somebody else's brand and reputation. You got people who don't care about a brand or a reputation. Half of them don't even know what that means because they're not doing any investing in themselves. They're not doing any research. They're not doing any educational things that's going to allow them to learn and grow and understand what having an online business was really all about. Those things are not even part of their vocabularies. So you got to stay steer of the people that mean you no good. And so I did a video today on Facebook because normally I'm on there Monday through Friday, weekends normally family time and things of that nature. But I was able to do a video that says online success secrets, in parentheses, it's just marketing. So the marketing strategies and tactics that people use are all designed and created for you to do business with them, to get your money out of your pocket for whatever product or service they are trying to sell you, is what the marketing message and the marketing strategies and the marketing tactic is designed and created to do. So people don't fall for the okie doke when it comes to being baited by income claims. And there's so many income claims online where they're going to help you make six figures with no prior training, no experience. And you got to look in the mirror and ask yourself, based on your own track record, is that realistic for you? Based on your own track record, how are you going to follow through, take action in the way you need to even get close to making six figures, let alone $6? These are the things you got to look in the mirror and ask yourself. You got to be accountable for your own actions. You got to be accountable for things you do, and not try to blame others for why you fell short. If you can truly do that across the board in your life, each and every day, then you shouldn't fall for the okie doke when it comes to how I'm going to help you make six figures in 4 months with an 8-week workshop. Come on now. What they going to teach you in 8 weeks that's going to position you to make six figures in 4 months? I would like to know that. I've been in this career industry 22 years, 16 as a business owner. I would like to know that. I've created multiple six figures, don't get me wrong, inside my own business over the 22 years I've been doing this. But the bottom line is, we talking about the time I've been doing this. This message they throwing out now is for the new person who won't make six figures. They might make four if they spread the word just to family and friends. If they want to make 5, they got to spread the word to more family and friends and people that they don't know. They want to make 6, that's a whole nother world. That's a whole nother effort. That's a whole nother strategy. That's a whole nother blueprint and plan of action to take on each and every day basis to make those type of money amounts happen for yourself. Success doesn't happen by accident. Success don't happen by mistake. Success don't happen by, oops, there it is. No, it happens by strategic planning, intentional planning. It happens because you plan for it. You've done the research for it. You've done the things you need to do inside your life and inside your business to get you where you're trying to go when it comes to having your online business. So success is not something that's going to happen by accident. This is not like playing the lottery or doing the scratch off where we're hoping and praying that our number comes up. This ain't that. Success that you want to have is contingent on how well you show up and show out inside of your business. I'm here to help the serious person who wants to get started in their online business venture and make that happen for themselves by educating them first on what that looks like, what that's going to take, and what you need to do to make that happen. And then you look in the mirror and ask yourself, bam, 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 how are you going to follow through on all those points? How are you going to show up each and every day and make all those things happen? How are you going to do what you got to do until success hits? Don't give yourself no ultimatum. Tell me if I don't make money in 90 days, I'm quitting. Well, you already quitting then because you already failed. Because ultimatums don't work. We already know that. So to tell yourself if you don't make money in 90 days, you quitting, you shouldn't even say it. You shouldn't even get started. Take that investment, pay some bills with it, and call it a day. Keep your job, do some overtime because this ain't for you. Everybody who wants to start a business ain't qualified to start a business, ain't qualified to run a business, ain't qualified to grow a business. You might be one of them. But if you think you're qualified to start and grow a business and you want to do it through mentorship and coaching, because our titles is just something we use to identify ourselves with so you can understand what we're about and what we offer. And it's part of the marketing scheme. But I'm a trusted advisor. I'm a passionate entrepreneur / business owner who has the desire to help people grow and succeed in their online business. That's who I am. Thank you for watching this video. Share it with someone you think that may be able to make use of it. And I'll see you in my next one.